In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Hope you all will be fine by the grace of Allah Almighty. Hope you all will be busy in preparation. Here are some tips for best learning. You have to keep in mind these points for best preparation. So first of all, the first point is total marks. When you are preparing, you have to keep in mind that this test carrying 100 marks and 0.5 negative marking. If you will do wrong any MCQs which is wrong, then 0.5 marks will be deducted. So you have to be careful, and if you remember any point, you have to do that, but don't focus on that which are you are just putting fluke. You have to do these points which you know that these MCQs are very important for you, and because every point is very important. Number 2, main focus only on subject which is relevant. First of all, the main thing is that you have to focus on that subject which you are going to prepare. Like you are preparing for English lecturer, science, SST, whatever. So you have to focus on your own subject, because 80 marks of every subject will be compulsory, and 20 MCQs will be general. So you have to focus on your subject. Number 3, don't follow NTS pattern. It is totally different from NTS. Yes, a PPSC is different from NTS. So you have to focus on PPSC method. Number 4, no specific syllabus for PPSC test. There is no any specific syllabus which is assigned by PPSC test. So you know very well that it is very tough and competitive. Number 5, get 70% marks. It is necessary, otherwise you will not be called for interview. So again and again I am telling you people that you have to focus on that MCQs which you are sure about that. So don't put any circle on that which you don't know the answer correctly. Number 6, buy MCQs type books for preparation. You will learn 10% from these type of books. Like you can buy Kharwan, Dogger, and any other Emporium. There are many books which are very good for MCQs. So these are very important for everyone that you have to buy, and you know very well that time is too short and you have to learn all these things. So it is very important, and you have to learn it by heart and keep all the things in your mind. Number 7, don't waste time in searching for academies. Don't practice and do practice and learning by own. Yes, you have no need to go any academy, search for any academy, because time is too short, and syllabus is too much. You have to do precise preparation. So for this purpose you have to buy these type of books which has MCQs, and you can just remind in your minds. Number 8, try to solve PPSC past papers. Yes, these are very important, because there are it is about history, all the you can even know about this method, that how they are taking papers, like 80% of subject relevant and 20% of general. You can get an idea. So you have to solve PPSC past papers. Number 9, no links are given on internet from PPSC. So please don't try to be foolish, or don't think about that there are some links which are given by PPSC, and you have to prepare that from PPSC. So number 10, follow the syllabus of BA, BSc based and FA level 2 and masters level 2. You have to do all the syllabus, but you can get these MCQs from different books. Try it, and all the best. Allah Hafiz.